In this video, let's explore credit card number validation, specifically, how to create regular expression patterns for different card formats. We'll focus on identifying the structure of credit card numbers from major providers. Let's explore the common credit card types. Visa cards typically start with the number 4, followed by other digits. Mastercards generally begin with the number 5, followed by a number between 1 and 5 as the second digit, and other digits after that. American Express cards usually start with the number 3, followed by either a 4 or a 7, and then additional digits. Discover cards often start with the number 6, followed by either 6011 or 65, followed by 2 digits, and then additional digits to complete the card number. Let's examine the regular expression pattern for Visa cards. The regular expression is $4, open square bracket 0-9 close square bracket, open curly bracket 12 close curly bracket, open parenthesis question mark colon, open square bracket 0-9 close square bracket, open curly bracket 3 close curly bracket, question mark, close parenthesis question mark. This pattern ensures that the Visa card number starts with the number 4, followed by 12 or 15 more digits, ranging from 0 to 9. The total length of the card number will be either 13 or 16 digits. Let's look at the regular expression pattern for Mastercards. The regular expression is $5, open square bracket 1-5 close square bracket, open square bracket 0-9 close square bracket, open curly bracket 14 close curly bracket $. This pattern specifies that a Mastercard number starts with the number 5, with the second digit being between 1 and 5, followed by 14 more digits. Therefore, the total length will be 16 digits. Let's explore the regular expression pattern for American Express cards. The regular expression is $3, open square bracket 47 close square bracket, open square bracket 0-9 close square bracket, open curly bracket 13 close curly bracket $. This pattern indicates that American Express card numbers begin with 34 or 37, followed by 13 additional digits. Thus, the total length of the card number is 15 digits. Let's dive into the regular expression pattern for Discover cards. The regular expression is $6, open parenthesis question mark colon 011 pipe symbol 5, open square bracket 0-9 close square bracket, open curly bracket 2 close curly bracket, close parenthesis, open square bracket 0-9 close square bracket, open curly bracket 12 close curly bracket $. This pattern shows that Discover card numbers start with either 6011 or 65, followed by any 2 digits, with 12 additional digits following. In total, the card number's length is 16 digits. Let's discuss a Python function for validating credit card numbers. First, import the module for regular expressions. Define a function called validateCreditCard, which accepts the card number as an argument. Then remove any spaces and dashes from the card number using re.sub. Next, we check if the cleaned card number contains only digits using the isDigit method. If not, we return invalid. Now, for the complete validation logic in Python, we define a dictionary called patterns, where keys are the card types like Visa, Mastercard, Amex, and Discover, and values are their corresponding regular expression patterns. These patterns are raw strings to treat backslashes literally. Then we return the result of a validate patterns function, passing in the cleaned card number and the patterns dictionary for matching. This encapsulates the full validation process. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.